QCAP, QTL's family of premium encapsulated flexible fixtures. The QCAP line expands what flexible lighting can do and where it can go. Walla is our smallest side bend profile, making it perfect for fine architectural details. Walla has a 6-inch bending radius. It also pairs with wave to create compound curves. We use QTL's best-in-class LEDs to deliver exceptional CRI and R9 values. The encapsulate itself is UV stabilized, so it won't yellow, even under direct sunlight. And because our LEDs tightly follow the black body curve, you can mix flexible and rigid QTL fixtures in the same space with consistent color temperature across the board. There's a full range of LED options. Choose from static white, RGB, or dynamic white strips for tunable or warm dim applications. Every QCAP profile is available in a field cuttable option.